It's summer and nothing says summer like outdoor grilling, whether it's at your boat, at the beach, at a park, on your back deck, in your backyard, right? Everybody loves to grill. Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do a grilled stuffed avocado. Now, I saw a recipe kind of like this and I made an adaptation of it. It's the first time I was trying it actually. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an avocado, I'm just gonna slice it in half, right? Really simple. And actually what's nice about for this recipe, you actually want an avocado that's a little more durable because we're gonna be grilling it. We're gonna take the avocado, we're gonna place it flesh side down on our grill. And I've got some that I've already grilled off a little bit. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these avocados, just gonna pick them up like that. I am going to fill them with this stuffing that I made. I made a little quinoa salad basically here. You could use whatever kind of filling you wanted. This is super fresh and super good. Now again, we talk about making things simple. I buy this bag quinoa from the store. This is from Whole Foods. You can get it anywhere. You microwave it for like 90 seconds. It's done. Make it easy on yourself, right? I took some fresh bell peppers, some red onions, some black beans, some corn, mixed it all together with some spices, cumin, a little chili powder, fresh lime juice. Really brightens it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff these avocados with this quinoa mixture, right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back on the grill. Now we're gonna put these back down. We're gonna put them skin side down on the grill like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut that for a little bit, open it up, and I've got two that are done. Now look at this. When they come off, they're gonna pull them off like that. Look at how beautiful that is. I've got my grilled stuffed avocado with my fresh, bright lime, zesty inside filling. And then I made a little sauce for the top of it. This is my zesty adobo sauce. If you've seen some of my other recipes, I use this for fish tacos, anything fun. It's a great creamy plant-based sauce, and I'm just gonna drizzle that on top. This has some fun chipotle pepper flavor to it. It's got some plant-based mayo, some herbs and seasonings, smoked paprika, little cumin, all those great seasonings. And look at this. You have a delicious, fun, fresh, grilled, stuffed avocado. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.